Hello, hello. All right, in an effort to bring you the most valuable content that I possibly can, I'm trying to turn on my camera as often as I can and share with you our plant-based meals, okay? I'm trying to be as transparent and honest about what it takes to live and eat a plant-based diet with a family of 4. I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please thumbs up this video. And if you are not subscribed to this channel and you are curious about the plant-based diet, please subscribe. Okay, so it's Thursday night here at the McKeever house. That means it's Campo Burrito night. And Max has already put together the burritos for him and Maggie. They've already dove into these, okay? So on this side, Max blended up black beans and Bush's chili beans, pinto beans, and then blended those up, and then he added Butler Foods taco crumbles in with the beans just to make it a little meatier, and then filled flour tortillas, and there we go, that's it. And then on this side, Maggie's, you know, she doesn't like the spiciness of the taco crumbles, so her Campo burritos are just blended chili beans and flour tortillas. Now, the flour tortillas that we buy at our regular grocery store, they have a bakery and a tortilla machine. They are not oil-free. And Charlie and I have really been focusing on making sure that when we eat processed foods, that they're oil-free. We're trying very hard. We're doing pretty good. So to make our Campo burritos, I am using oil-free, our favorite oil-free corn tortillas. I get these at my regular grocery store, not a sponsor. You can find them at Trader Joe's. I think they may be at Whole Foods, I'm not sure. But I know that they're at HEB, and that's just a regular old grocery store. This is not some newfangled tortilla. It's just a tortilla made with masa and water, and that's it. And they are delicious, and they're awesome for making oil-free corn chips or tortilla chips with. I have a video on how to air fry tortilla chips with these tortillas in the Breville Smart Oven. Oh, what? Look around here in the uploads, you'll find it. What? Why are these called Campo burritos? Well, that's a long, long story. Tonight, I don't really have a recipe. I'm flying by the seat of my pants. The point of this is to inspire you to just have fun making Campo burritos. They're pretty much just whatever's available in the fridge. So I have a nice fresh tomato, black beans, our favorite oil-free salsa, Casina Fresca, mild onion. I have some chives that I want to use up. I have some homemade soy yogurt, plain unsweetened, that I made myself in the iPot. Woot woot! So that's good stuff. Yes, I have a video for that. Just look around here in the Instant Pot recipes playlist. You will find how to make really thick yogurt. And we use this like sour cream. We don't even call it yogurt around here. We call it sour cream. Okay, and then I've got some leftover brown rice that I'm going to use on the bottom of my enchiladas. And there's something else I wanted to use. What else? Okay, I got it. I've got some frozen chopped kale here. I'm going to thaw this up real quick, and I'm going to mix this in to our Campo burritos. And let's do purple onion. Oh, yeah, purple onion's good. If you find me a little hyper, I'm sorry, because I just came from the gym and I'm hungry, so I'm a little hyped up and excited and proud of myself. I'm high on being proud of myself that I went to the gym. Dun, 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 dun. Maggie and I had a good time. We did a little video montage, and I'm gonna have Max put it together for y'all and show y'all what we did at the gym tonight. Okay, I'm just gonna run hot water over this chopped kale, squeeze it dry, and then we'll add it to the enchiladas. I mean the Campo burritos. It's the same thing. There's the reason why I was, anyways. This is what that looks like. I just ran hot water over it, and then I gave it a good squeeze so it's nice, dry kale ready to go. And I'm gonna let it just finish cooking in the oven. Okay, we had a little leftover greens. This is from lunch. This is just chopped spinach, more chopped kale, some tomato, yellow onion, and a little corn. We've been microwaving this, seasoning it, and throwing it on top of rice and potatoes. I just have a little bit left, so I'm going to use it to help fill the enchiladas. And then today, for lunch, I took this and added a little yogurt sour cream to it, and a few black beans, and so this is really the same thing. This is with black beans and yogurt, and then this is already seasoned like Tex-Mex. So I'm going to use these two to fill my enchiladas. All right, I'm going to bake these up in the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm going to let them go for about 30 to 40 minutes until they're really, really hot. I'm just going to fold these up and lay it on top.
So here, okay, so I just got these out. These are really hot. I'm trying not to burn myself with the steam coming out from underneath the foil. Oh, look at them. Okay, so the enchiladas were hot, but I was a little disappointed that I had the tops of the enchiladas were mushy, and I was like, oh man, this sucks. I wanted chewy enchiladas. So what I did is I put the casserole dish back into the oven, and I turned on my broiler to low, and I left them in there for probably about 10 to 15 minutes, and I let the top of that casserole dish just dry out, and it made the tortillas chewy and yummy again. So if you do this, get ready, you'll have to do a little extra broiling. And then there's all our fixing. There's those air fried tortilla chips. And then just to clean our palate and have something sweet at the end, we have some organic strawberries and some grapes there that we have with our side dinner. But look at that. See, that was about 10 minutes on low broil. Dried those enchiladas right back up. Oh my goodness. Now, they're a mess. They do not look sexy coming out of the casserole dish, but if you cover them with yogurt, it won't matter. And some jalapenos, man. Salsa and sour cream or yogurt are perfect camouflage for messy enchiladas. Oh, those are so good. So, so good. And hubby was happy. Look at him. He's like, oh, yum. Oil-free enchiladas. All right. Thank y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.